welcome back to my channel. My name is Kalpana and I make makeup related videos here. I'm pretty new here and I've just made 10 to 11 videos, but your love and support means a lot to me, so please keep coming back. And if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestion, anything you want to say to me, please write it down in the comment section below and I will love to chat with you guys. So yes, so how are you and how is your day so far? Today when I am filming this video, it's Sunday here and I have pretty okayish day. But I hope you're having a great day. And before I forget that I am here to film a makeup tutorial, let's get started. Today I'm doing a bold red lipstick tutorial. Now I understand that we are in this crazy time when we are wearing mask every time we are stepping out. I'm wearing a red lip under a mask. Does that even make a sense? No, it doesn't. Absolutely not. But you can just sit back, relax and watch this video for fun. And I'm pretty sure we're just going to get rid of this mask very soon. And then you can come back here and use this makeup tutorial to rock a red bold lip. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First step of the makeup is moisturization. And to moisturize my face, I'm using this one from Plum. I have dry skin, so moisturization is just everything. I'm also putting some lip balm on my lips so that by the time I apply lipstick, they are nicely moisturized. And the lip balm that I used, this is from the Blessing Tree, a lip lightening balm with green tea flavor, and this works quite nice. I love this one. Next up is primer, so I'm using this one from Color Bar. It says Perfect Match Primer Water Quench Me. Oh my god. My face is all ready for makeup, so we are moving on to foundation. And for foundation, today I'm using two foundations. One is this Infallible Pro Matte from L'Oreal and second is this Nykaa Skin Genius. I'm taking both of the foundation on back of my palm. It's a crazy weather here, it's raining. And when you have to film, you don't want it to rain. Concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me and the shade is medium. set my base, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. And I'm taking it with this brush. The brush is from Lakara. Time for eyebrows, and I'm using this Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil. Just pushing away the hair upwards so that I can clearly see where to fill. Now moving to eye makeup. Since this is a red lip makeup look, I want the focus to be lips, and hence I'll keep my eyes very simple. I'm using this Flawless 4 palette from Makeup Revolution, and on the big fluffy blending brush, I am taking this slide and little bit of this and this color for my crease. Tapping off the extra and putting it in my crease like this. Now I'm taking a small blending brush, like little smaller than what I was using previously, and taking this dark brown shade. Can you see it? Yeah. So I'm just taking it and putting it below the first color. So basically I'm covering my whole lids with this color. Now going back to the big blending brush that we used earlier, and I'm just making sure that everything is nice and blended. And it's done. Pretty easy, right? So I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll see you soon. For lower lids, I'm gonna take this darker shade. Next, I'm taking my transition color and just blending this first color. Now we are going to do a small wing, and I'm using this eyeliner from Color Bar. Red lip and winged eyeliner, they look fabulous together. That's a cute little wing. Now moving on to kajal. I'm using Color Bar kajal in my lower lash line. I'm also tight lining my upper lash. I'm curling up my lashes with this color. This is from PAC. I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm anyway going to pop some falsies later on, but just curling them and putting some mascara makes it even better. And next up, I'm using this bronzer from Rimmel, and the shade is Sundance. Recently, I'm just skipping my contour and using bronzer only, and I'm loving it. I'm holding my brush from a distance and starting from here, the place where you put your contour, starting from the top and just doing this circular motions and coming down. So it is same how I do contour, like the area is same. Since this is a red lip tutorial, I do not want super blushed cheeks and I want more of like a bronzed face. Now I do not want to go crazy with the blush because I don't want a lot of color on my face. So I'm just going to use this blush right here, and this is Maybelline blush palette. I'm taking my brush and I'm taking a little bit of this first color and just applying a little bit of blush. I do not want a lot of color on my face. That's it. I do not want to overgo with this. For highlighter, I'm using this one from Makeup Revolution. I think it's high time I should get one more highlighter. Yeah. And putting on the usual high points of my face. Highlighting my inner corners with a pencil brush. And now the star and the gem of today's makeup look, red lipstick. I'm using this Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Boss. So yes, I got this shade from the hot pink sale of Nykaa in this dual lip kit. By the way, I think today is the last day. I'm not sure if this is still available on Nykaa, so if you've missed it, just go grab it. Both of these shades are so beautiful. Of how gorgeous this lip shade is looking right now. I just hope you are able to see it on camera how beautiful this looks on my face. So yes, time to take a quick shower in makeup setting spray, and I'm using this Infallible from L'Oreal. I'm just going to pop some false lashes from back of camera and I'll be back in a moment.
So that was our sexy, bold red makeup look. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.